Hello, Amazon sellers. Welcome back to Ibiza Solutions. Today, we've got a task on our hands that every seller needs to master. Deleting SKUs in Amazon Seller Central. Ready to tidy up your inventory and streamline your operations? Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and let's declutter together. First things first, let's log into your Amazon Seller Central account. The heart of your e-commerce operations. Navigate to the Inventory tab. This is where we'll work our magic. Click on Manage Inventory. It's like entering your inventory command center. Find the SKU you want to bid farewell to. Click on it to select the SKU. Hit the adjacent arrow to the Edit button, and then click on Delete Product and Listing from the drop-down. You can find the delete option at two places in Seller Central. Confirm the action, and poof, the SKU is no more. Pro tips for effective SKU delete. 1. Double-check quantities before deletion to avoid accidental removal of valuable stock. 2. Keep a record of deleted SKUs for future reference or auditing purposes. And there you have it, sellers! Deleting SKUs in Amazon Seller Central is the key to keeping your inventory crisp and efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow sellers, and don't forget to hit subscribe. Until next time, may your SKUs be ever organized. Happy selling!